Dahil alas 12 na. Magiging palaka ka. Alright, we are on our way to Leia's property and where are we now, honey?
We are coming to the north side of Traverse City. And we're going to be going along the bay here in a minute, so it should be beautiful.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two.
Okay, everyone! Nana Midari at the beach, Hi, girls!
Cheers.
What you got?
Some kind of margarita. Strawberry margarita. Is it strawberry?
Oh,
We just put ice on it.
David and Yvette.
Yes, absolutely. They have
Zoe, you want ice cream?
No, Zoe does not want ice cream.
it in the woods.
She probably wants some fish. She wants some yummy fish. Yeah, she's a real Filipino.
We are in Elk Rapids. We are on the east side of the East Bay. And right over there
Good-looking guy.
is Old Mission Peninsula. Nice little town out on the end.
Turn, right?
Lighthouse.
Yeah.
Really beautiful. And then on the other side of that
Got there and
is
you
West Bay.
weird and like.
There you go. It's beautiful here.
Went to the beach.
What do we have here? We're gonna grill some pork belly. Pork belly it is.
No way, I would never do it. Ta-da!
Oh my god, that's creepy. A pig head?
A lechon head, honey.
Oh, where did you get this?
From their pig they bought.
Huh? Oh,
Kevin, did you guys know?
pig head.
Cool.
Yeah, because we had different flights.
They hide behind us.
Our
Ludi. Ludi is in the house.
I'm in the house. I'm in the beach. Enjoying the sun.
Asa the Ludes nata sa?
We are in Elk Rapids Beach.
Hoy, here! The host of the party, oh! Daghan kay Glimtan. For the record, yun niya ron.
Nangawa biya me.
Stockholm lights.
Tuna salad. Mango.
I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
Yellow pink tuna. Please, tayo na.
The Stockholm lights.
English ta kay para sa vlog.
It's so expensive.
Brownies. Models of brownies.
I love chocolate.
Ni mo. Alam mo, kalamig ko ani.
Chocolate.
Kumusta na tong
Pangaulong mo dito kaya.
barbecue? Kumusta tong tigpaypay dila?
Kapay-bayan ako yung likod, di. Ayaw, napaig naman akong likod.
So as usual, everyone, no? When we have a party, Filipino party, we should have rice. But the host forgot to bring rice. Pero I love you, Ate Leia.
doing good.
Good. Ni kayo ko no. Hala ba?
What you doing, honey?
Slicing baboy. This is so good. I use bulgogi sauce. Charot. So this is Chef Julie.
Chef Julie is
Joke ra joke.
preparing it. We don't allow her to have knives in the house, so she's
Yes.
Dangerous.
there's the Baboy before it's cooked.
Baboy. Baboy before, now
Baboy.
it's carne. Yeah, baboy. I thought you said boy.
Baboy.
Baboy, yeah.
Baboy.
Baboy.
Over here in America, we don't have those nice little spin things for lechon, so we do charcoal grills. We have our chefs over here.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Ikaw panawagan. You wanna go say hi to everyone from the Philippines? We're in Elk Rapids right now.
Yes.
Kevin. Hi, Kevin, the vlogger.
Hello.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe
and like and comment. We did 1,000 subscriber.
We're getting there.
To the next stage.
Just gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, have a step.
Yvette is slicing the mango. Narrator lang.
She's slicing the mango. She's smiling. Oh, so juicy. Look at that.
Yummy.
Go on,
Oh no, it's alive. Look, so yummy.
Got grass on it too. That'll probably cook off though. Stan won't.
Hi, kiddos. Zoe, say hi.
Hi.
What you doing? Playing with the sand.
Zoe.
Playing with Zoe. You like Zoe? Yes.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go? Somebody break your heart. When you kiss me, I know you don't get too far. Malibu, Malibu, she going out. She has so many. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end.
It's time to go to the beach.
It's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, have a step.
They are having fun.
It's not enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see.
Hey, are you gonna swim?
No. Too cold.
Yan Yan. Hi, Ed.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
can say
Tunga gamay.
I'm always yours. I'm a Barbie girl and a Barbie world. Aztec, let's fantastic. Yeah. Must have been love, but it's over now. Asan man to? It's when with love.
What it's got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling.
Every night you say I'll be what you need. You belong to me. Never step you take, never move you make. Baby, please. Sa man ka na tinitik-tik sa tama. Every smile you fake, every claim you say, I've been watching you. Excited. Through the clouds I see love shine. Hold up. Hurry up, okay. Here. Pakanta niya din. Here, okay.
Sing it, honey.
Here.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
This time,
What do you think of our beach party today, babe?
it was relaxing.
Relaxing.
Very relaxing and good food. And good friends. And mouthy little teenagers. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Mariel, tell the vlog how old you are.
I'm 37. No, you aren't.
You're both 10?
How about you, Ludi?
I'm 12.
Yeah.
Oh, no, she's so short.
Nowhere us. The tall is speaking. Mariel, how tall are you?
See?
You're like 4'6" or 5, Muriel.
We actually
bet
had
you
fun
you're gonna
today.
be like
This is such a nice
5'2",
area
5'3".
here. You can also see the sunset at the back. And we are in Elk Rapids.
For you, right?
Pretty area here in northern Michigan.
They get all the short jokes.
We will definitely go back here. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Ako na Sydney. Okay.
Alright, it's joke time.
Sorry, una mo joke ako?
Yeah.
Una bita ko joke.
She forgot it now.
Oh, I think I can remember. I can make it. So I was driving one day and I stopped in the stop sign.
Oh, seriously?
And then the police officer said, why you did not go? You've been there for a while. It's like 15 minutes. And I said, I'm waiting the stop sign to become red.
What?
Is that joke?
To become red? You're still gonna be in there forever. You're gonna be in there forever if it's red.
You mean
mean
you're
green.
waiting for the
Green? You mean green?
green? Yeah.
Ah? Hello, loading. Raya said that she's gonna have a joke in Bisaya, but you have to translate it in English.
I will try.
I'll try. Okay.
I have to think my joke. Matay ta, sabi ang joke ani mata.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it.
Si Bungi nagpatahi dito sa doktor.
Oh, you translate it. The cliff.
Oh, the boy nag-clip. And he wants a surgery to fix it.
Ah, very good, very good.
Boy has a
Very
what?
good. A cliff.
A cliff on his mouth?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Alright, I get it.
Aray, kasakit sa likuto kong tuhod. English. It's just gonna struggle.
Okay, ingon si doktor. I-pronounce ang Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. The doctor said you will pronounce Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Ang Bungi niingon. Lokon, Pasayan, Mulinaw, wala man ipik doktor. The boy says, kinanglan na ang sound sa Bungi ha. Oh, gusto ka na gutong sa Bungi ha. Ang Bungi niingon. Oh, the boy that had clip said that the shrimp.
The shrimp. Luzon. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The shrimp.
Spell ambulance. Then who one says A M B, and then the teacher says faster, faster. Who one says wee. Siya nga pag yun, tabi ma'am kay mabanggaan ka.
Dahil alas 12 na. Magiging palaka ka.
Okay ba ka ma'am? Okay kayo. Okay kayo ma'am? Oh, salamat sa imong noodles ma'am ha. You're welcome. So, hapit na way kanon. Naglimtan rice. Mas dindot na to. Kung man ang atong program.